Children, check your homework. Turn into indirect speech. I hope you all have learnt the rules of tenses. Now see over here, I have given you 10 sentences and related to the rules which you have been given to learn. Okay, and the sentences are same, but only the verb is different in all. All belong to different tenses. See, the first one. The teacher said, "Children go to school." Now see, you know this is reporting verb and this is reported speech. First of all, you have to check the verb of reporting, the tense of reporting verb. If the tense of reporting verb is simple present or simple future, no change will be made in this verb. In case the reporting verb is in simple past, then you have to follow the rules of tenses which you have been given to learn. Here, the tense of the reporting verb is simple past. So we will follow all the rules. Number 1, the teacher said, "Children go to school." The teacher said will always be copied as it is. No change will be made in reporting verb. Will be copied as it is. Only in case said to is written, it will be copied as told. It will be written as told. This is connectivity between reporting verb and reported speech. So that will be added. Children's small c. Why? Because it is no longer a new sentence. It is part of a sentence. The teacher said that children. Now this is the most important part, and if this goes wrong, you will be given 0. See, this is simple present. So simple present will change into simple past. The teacher said that children went to school. Simple past means second form of the verb. The second form of the verb go is went. Number 2. Now see, the teacher said children went to school. Now here, rest you all have understood. Now see, everything is same, only this verb, the tense of reported speech is different. This is simple past. In case the reported verb is in simple past, reported speech is in simple past, you have to change into past perfect. This is reporting verb, this is reported speech. The reported speech is in simple past, so it will change into past perfect in indirect speech. The teacher said that children had gone. The rule of past perfect will be applied over here. Went has become had gone to school, and all punctuation marks, quotation marks will be removed. Next, the teacher said children will go to school. You know that will change into would. So no other changes. See, only the verb has changed. The teacher said that children would go to school. Rest is copied as it is. Number 4, the teacher said children are going to school. Now are going is present continuous, and present continuous will change into past continuous. See over here, were going. The teacher said that children were going to school. Unless and until you learn the rules, you won't be able to do. So, even if you have still not learned, please learn the rules. The teacher said children were going to school. Now see, this is past continuous. So, past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. The teacher said that children had been going to school. Number 6, the teacher said children have gone to school. This is present perfect. So present perfect will change into past perfect. The teacher said that children had gone to school. Rest is all same. Number 7, the teacher said children had gone to school. This is past perfect, and I told you that past perfect will remain past perfect. No change. The teacher said that children had gone to school. Number 8, the teacher said children can go to school. Can will change into could. The teacher said that children could go to school. Number 9, the teacher said children may go to school. May will become might. The teacher said that children might go to school. The teacher said children will have gone to school. Will have gone. Future perfect. Okay. So the teacher said that children would have gone to school. Will change into would. Rest you will copy as it is. Understood? But suppose I would have given the sentence, the teacher says. In such case, what will you write? The teacher says that children go to school. If it is says or will say, then you will not make any change. But it is said, so we have followed all the rules of tenses. I hope now things are being clearer to you, and as we go on, as we do more and more sentences, you will be perfect in direct and indirect speech. But for that, you must do the homework and must check and do corrections also.